Hello friends, welcome to Ujval cooking show. Let's do today a healthy breakfast or a healthy evening snack, Mangalore Style Poha. In a pan, I am add 2 tablespoons of oil, then around 2 tablespoons of peanuts, then goes mixture of chana dal and urad dal around half tablespoon, some half teaspoon of mustard. Once the mustard starts spluttering, then goes freshly chopped curry leaves, some 3 to 4 green chilies. Let them cook together. Then goes 1 medium size onion chopped, some turmeric. Let's give it a quick mix. Now, after once it's well cooked, allow it to cool completely. Once it's completely cooled down, now let's add the poha. If you are not taking in a wider one, take a wider bowl. Here we are taking very thin poha or a nylon poha and going to add into the tadka some half teaspoon of salt, around 1 teaspoon of sugar. Give it a quick mix with your hands. Then half lemon. I am putting the lemon juice now. Let's mix them together. Then goes some half bowl of freshly grated coconut. Then mix them together. I'm putting one by one. That tastes good. Then goes the cucumber. I've shredded the cucumber and give it a mix. See how nice they are. I have used such type of cucumber. Now I am taking it out in a plate. Garnish with fresh coriander and some shave or a mixture. Enjoy this with your family and don't forget to subscribe the channel.